Hey everyone, Jack here. Today I'm going to show you how using WD-40 can save you thousands in car repairs. We're talking about simple fixes you can do at home with this miracle product. You won't believe how effective WD-40 can be for keeping your car in tip-top shape. Let's dive right in. One of the biggest enemies of your car is rust. It eats away at metal parts and can cause serious damage over time. But don't worry, WD-40 is here to save the day. WD-40 creates a protective barrier that prevents rust and corrosion from forming. Just spray a light coat on all your metal parts, like your undercarriage, suspension components, and even those hard-to-reach spots. This simple step will extend the life of your car's components and save you a ton of money in the long run. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way. We've all been there, struggling with a stubborn bolt or nut that just won't budge. Before you break out the big guns and risk damaging your car, grab your trusty can of WD-40. WD-40's incredible penetrating power breaks down rust and corrosion, making it the ultimate solution for freeing stuck parts. Spray it generously on the affected area and let it sit for a few minutes. You'll be amazed at how easily those stubborn bolts and nuts will come loose. No more busted knuckles or trips to the mechanic for a simple fix. Over time, your car's plastic trim can fade and look dull. But don't worry, you don't need expensive detailing products to bring back that like-new shine. WD-40 to the rescue. Simply spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a clean cloth and wipe down your car's plastic trim. You'll be amazed by the transformation. WD-40 restores the plastic's natural oils, bringing back its original shine and color. It's like giving your car a mini facelift without spending a fortune. Squeaky car doors are not only annoying, but they can also be embarrassing. But don't let those squeaks get you down. WD-40 can silence those noisy hinges in seconds. Just spray a little WD-40 directly onto the hinges of your car doors. Open and close the doors a few times to work the WD-40 into the mechanism. The squeaking will disappear instantly, leaving you with a car that feels brand new. A sticky car lock or ignition can be a real pain, especially when you're in a hurry. But before you call a locksmith, try this simple WD-40 hack. Spray a small amount of WD-40 directly into the keyhole of your car lock or ignition. Insert your key and turn it back and forth a few times to distribute the lubricant. WD-40 will lubricate the lock cylinder and get things moving smoothly again. You'll be back on the road in no time. By using WD-40 for these simple car maintenance tasks, you can prevent minor issues from turning into major headaches. Remember, a little bit of prevention goes a long way. Regularly inspecting your car and addressing any problems early on can save you thousands of dollars in costly repairs down the line. WD-40 is your secret weapon for keeping your car running smoothly for years to come. So next time you're at the store, grab an extra can of WD-40 and show your car some love. You'll be glad you did. And there you have it. 6 ways WD-40 can save you thousands in car repairs. From preventing rust to silencing squeaks, this miracle product is a must-have for any car owner. Remember, taking care of your car doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. With a little WD-40 and some basic maintenance, you can keep your car running smoothly for years to come. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.